Okay, Elli-Boo. Here we are there. Here we are there. Here we are then. Oh, and you found a fir cone the minute you've got into the forest, have you? Rempstone Forest. Never been here. I think I've ridden through here on the bike somewhere, but never actually had a walk round here. So thought we'd give this a go today. Very easy to get to. Need to give my legs a rest. What are you doing? Give my legs a bit of a rest. I ate after yesterday, that climbing and descending. It's a bit windy out here, Elli-Boo. I'll need, is that rain? That'd be about right. Come on, out. Let's have a look. And it's quiet. Off the beaten track, and it's a bit quiet. And don't rain. Come on. We want to sit somewhere and have our sandwiches. We don't want it to rain, do we? So wow. Wow. Yeah, I know. So what? 0.7, we need to hang a right, Elli-Boo. Look at this, isn't it pretty? Come on, let's go. Ellie's like, well, this is new, and I've never been to this place before. Lots of different smells. Lots of different smells. What you got? Fir cone? Lots of fir cones out here. Oh yeah, there'll be lots of fir cones out here. Where's that fir cone? Look at that face. Look at, can we see that? Look at that face. Pick a fir cone up then, bring it on. Which one you having? Which one? I don't know which one, Dad. There's just so many to choose from. I haven't got a clue which one I'm going to have. Which one smells the best? Eh? Which one smells the best? Look at that tail wagging. Look at that tail wag. That's a stone. That wasn't a fir cone. Wow, this is nice, Elli-Boo. That looks like there's going to be water down there. There is. You get across here, Elli-Boo. Looks like there's some stepping stones. Come on. You come through this side. That's it. I don't need stepping stones, Dad. I can just go straight through. I can just go straight through, Dad. Yes, I can. Look at the tree creaking. Come on. Uh-oh. He said. Should have kept my mouth shut, Elli-Boo, shouldn't I? Hey? I should have kept my mouth shut. It was dry. Yeah, it was dry. Until I opened my gob. Yeah, come on, out of there. You're going that walk. No, this way. Come on. Don't trip me over. Come on. What are you coughing for? No, we're not going in there. We're going this way. But there was water back there, Dad, and I could have had a swim. If you weren't such an old miserable git. I've got mud all over me though. You're not going in there either. Get those little paddy pools out. You little so-and-so. Can you see this? She's run through every bit of mud that she can find, and she's still not content. Get out! I shall give you what for, young lady. Looks like we've got. Get out! Go on, get out the mud! It looks like somebody will be having a bath tonight. Oh dear. There we go, we found our way around. It looks like it dries up here a bit. There we go. You're so naughty. I don't want your stick now. I was hoping you were going to be clean. Not a hope in hell's chance. And now we're in the woods. This is beautiful. Some big old tree ants out here, eh? If you can see any. Wait for it. There's one crawling around there. Tree ants, Elli-Boo. Don't know if we can spot that on the camera. Some big old tree ants out here. Come on. Can you throw one for me, Dad? Can you throw a tree ant for me? Please? Please? Please throw a tree ant. No. Because you won't be able to spot it. And it might bite me. I can't be bitten. And look at this. This is just fantastic. Come on.